All right, guys, James here with the Buscemi Family Channel. So package just came. Let me show you what came to the front door. All right, I got my little dirt devil. My dogs keep peeing on the rug in the guest room, so I gotta clean that up. And there's little Loli now. So we got this little dirt devil. We're gonna see if it does the trick. Check it out. All right, guys, so I'm just chilling in my kitchen here. We are gonna open up the box. We're gonna see what's inside. We're gonna go through everything for you so that you don't have to do it. We're gonna show you exactly how the machine works. I'm probably gonna put it on fast forward so I don't bore you to death while I'm taking all the items out, but I will go through every item and what it does step by step. Okay, check it out. All right, guys, now let me show you exactly what comes in the box. All right, guys, so you have two kind of, agitators, if you will, or two heads, and you could choose between these two heads on what you want to do, depending on whether it's kind of a carpet or upholstery. But let me just show you. One of them has a brush, and the other has almost like a rubber agitator here. So you could choose and you could kind of see what you want to use, and I'm sure with experience, you'll see what's better. Then you have the spot cleaner, comes with its own solution. You have the machine itself, which I'm going to get into shortly. You have instructions. Now, I've said in other videos with other devices that I don't love huge booklets, right? And, Dirt Devil, they don't have a huge booklet. It's essentially like 2 pages. And even though it's more than 2 pages, it's 2 pages because only 2 of these are in English. So you got the front, and you got here, and that's literally everything. When you continue on in the booklet, it becomes a different language. So it's really just these first 2 pages. Then it talks a little bit about the solution. It tells you that, you could buy spot remover. They have another device called a steam cleaner. And then this is for the portable, which is what we have. And then also in the box, it comes with this little piece of paper, tested with water for quality assurance. I've seen that with many machines, like my coffee maker had some coffee grinds in it because they test it. So obviously you could just throw this out. All right, guys, let's talk about the actual machine and how it works. We have all the items that it comes with. I've read the booklet so that you don't have to, and I'm going to show you exactly how you use it. First and foremost, you have to, not be from planet Earth if you don't know what to do with this. Obviously, it's a corded machine. Why do you buy corded? It's cheaper. The machine was around 80 bucks, or 80 something bucks, by the way. Every time I called Stanley Steamer to come and clean my carpet that my dog peed on in one little spot, it was like 150 to 180 bucks. This machine was $80 to $90. I'll put like a link below in the description. So for a one-time 80 to 90, every time the dog pees, I could just go ahead and use this machine to clean it up and not have to call an outside service. But getting back to the machine, you plug it in. Not that hard, pretty simple stuff. You have the hose right here. It comes in this little fixture here, so it stays affixed to the machine. But if you're gonna wanna use it, obviously you pull it out, and on the machine, on the hose, you have this little button here, okay? This is how you dispense the cleaning solution. So you will stand over the stain and you literally go, tss, 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 tss. Do you like that sound effect? Tss, 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 tss. Right? And it's gonna spray solution right on the stain. And then you're gonna drag the hose across the stain to lift the solution plus the stain material. So if it's dog urine, it'll lift the solution and the dog urine, and that's how you're gonna clean it. But let's put one of these fixtures on. Clicks into place, pretty simple. To take it off, there's a little button right here, takes it off. Again, click, and you hear it click. Let's try the other one. Same thing, kind of clicks into place. This one you gotta kind of pull. There's a little nodule here that it clicks into. So that's when you hear that clicking sound. I don't know if you could see it right there. That's the nodule that it clicks into, okay? So we'll stay with this one first because it looks like sturdy. Boom. On the top of the machine, there's an on and off button. Listen, click, click. That's how you turn the machine on. Now what you're looking at here is where you put the solution. So you're gonna literally take this off, unscrew the top, and you're gonna put around 3 ounces of solution in this. Okay, let's pretend that's 3 ounces. I didn't measure too perfectly, but who cares? And then you're gonna fill the rest up with water. Let me do that now. Okay guys, filled the rest up with water. I'm putting the cap back on. And then you're putting it right back in the machine. And again, you'll hear it click. This thing is where the discarded water and solution will go into. So this is where the dirty water will go. This is gonna be right here on this side, also clicks into place. Very easy to take out. There's an actual hand feature where your hand fits into here to pull it out. In, out, pretty simple. So guys, super easy, super easy. Now let's take it to the room where I'm going to try to lift a stain to see if it works. All right guys, we're making our way to the guest bedroom. Get some lights going here. Okay, and you could see the stain right there. I actually tried to clean it with some solution from Stanley Steamer that Stanley Steamer gave me, and it didn't really do the trick. So I said to myself, I gotta do something different, and that's why I got this machine. Let's bring the machine in and let's get it set up. Let's undo the hose. Okay guys, we're gonna hit the power button. So you can see it's got some power to it, but before I hit the power button, I want to show you again, this is the button that you're going to use to spray on the stain. So let's check that out. Okay guys, so the first thing I just learned is when I click this button when the machine is off, it doesn't spray. You have to have the machine on to spray. So I'm going to turn the machine on. It's going to be noisy. I can't talk, which you might even like. Who the hell wants to hear me talk? And I'm going to spray the stain. Okay, another thing I just learned. You don't have to keep pushing and pushing and pushing on. What you do is you hold it down and it gives a continuous spray. So that's what I'm gonna do again and really saturate the area. So I saturated the area and now I'm just gonna simply turn it on and pull and pull and pull and see if we could get the stain out. All right, guys, so the stain looks pretty good. What I'm gonna do for you though, is I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and I'm gonna come back later on in the video and see if it looks better and it doesn't have that circular kind of stain. But let's take a look at what happened with the machine. So you can see the discarded dirty water is right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the sink, you just take that off and you dump it out. All right, guys, so you saw me use it. Now, to clean the devices, you're simply gonna take this off and you're gonna run it under the water under the faucet. Very simple. However, it does have a cool mechanism I wanna show you. If you wanna clean the hose itself, you're gonna remove any attachments from the hose, like I've done here. Now, you will see right here, on one side of the machine is this right here. You're gonna plug it in, you're gonna have your solution tank, you're gonna have your dirty water tank, all affixed to the machine, and you're gonna turn it on. When you turn it on, you're gonna stick the hose directly into this, and this will clean the hose. Let me do it now. All right, so that's a cool feature to clean the actual hose. Pretty cool stuff. All right, guys, we're gonna shut the camera off. We're gonna wait a couple hours or maybe till tomorrow to see if it cleaned the stain in that guest room. All right, guys, it's a day later. Let's go see how the Dirt Devil did. The carpet had a little opportunity to dry. We're gonna go into the room and see what the results are. All right, guys, so there it is. You could see it's slightly discolored. So it's definitely not perfect, but the idea is I want to give you an honest review. And this is really what happened. So you could see that it's slightly discolored. It's not perfect, but that's the results of the Dirt Devil. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. Do me a favor and like and subscribe, and hope you enjoy the content. Take care.